Welcome back. Another day in the life of the Grimwards. So today we're doing a little bit of trailer maintenance. This is a hard pill for some people to swallow sometimes, but something that's really overlooked, and I have done it this time, which I'm usually pretty good at it, is your tires. So we did a job not too long ago, and I was going to use my trailer and noticed that all my trailer tires are dry rotted. So you can see this is the inside of the tire, and I don't know if you can make out all those little cracks and all. I mean, it's about to explode. So, and the front is the same way. It's not any different. They're a little harder to see, but it's cracking and it's dry rotting and it's bad. So the problem, that people look at is like the tread. It has plenty of tread. So you're like, oh, I don't need to replace it because it's got plenty of tread. So let's talk about what you really need to look for. I'm not the tire expert, but I do know what to look for and how it works. So trailer tires are a little easier, or not easier, but sometimes it's harder on regular car tires to find the date code. So what you're looking for is every tire. You can see it in the sun here. Every tire is going to have a DOT number with some kind of code. And then next to that will be some letters and then another set of 4 numbers. So what you're looking for are these 4 numbers, which means these were made in the 4th month of 2010. So now let's talk about the maintenance side of it. Usually car tires are recommended, and it depends who you talk to. A tire shop's going to tell you probably 4 to 5 years. Most people, I think rule of thumb was like 5 to 7. Obviously that's all depending on what the tires really look like, how much you use them, all that stuff. But just so anyway, we are way, way over the lifespan of these tires. They should have been replaced years ago. And to be honest, it's just one of those things that gets overlooked. I use the trailer. I don't think about it until I pull the trailer out and I'm like, oh man, I need to dump a lot of money into tires. So that's what we're doing today. But we're also going to talk about, this is a good time too to, when you got your tires off, like this trailer has brakes. So I don't know if I'm going to pull the whole hub off or maybe just try and adjust the brakes, but this is a time to look at your brakes, grease your hubs, look at your wiring, look at lights, replace lights, do any of that stuff that needs to be done. And that's all specific to your trailer. I'm not going to show you a ton on what I'm going to do to my trailer today. I just wanted to do a little video and show you how bad we are overdue for tires. The other thing you want to remember too is when you replace these, and most tire shops are going to do it, but if you're going to order them online, because I have not priced these, but you can go online and you can order wheels and tires and they'll deliver them right to your front door. And a lot of people do that because these tires, the wheels, just if they rust out or whatever, it's almost not worth going to put new tires on a rusty rim. So anyway, is looking at the load range. Just make sure the load range matches what your trailer can hold, your max payload for your trailer. And remember, the decals on your trailers for max payload and all that, that's the whole trailer. So whatever you have to minus the weight of the trailer. But most tire shops, they're going to replace them accordingly and you'll be fine. But yeah, so like I said, we got it used to be the car trailer for all my projects, and now it's turned into the tractor trailer. So in the future, like I said, we got some projects coming up. We're going to be going to get some wood. We're going to be going to a friend of mine's house, and now I'm on the hunt for hardwoods on the ground. So we're going to be running probably a 2 truck and trailer setup. So this thing's going to be needed on the road to haul the tractor so I can pull the dump trailer and fill it full of wood. So anyway, that just going over a quick today. This is what we're doing. We're going to go to the tire shop and go get some new tires. All right, we're back. So the magic of video, we are back from the tire shop actually really quick. They are very good. So these are just obviously no name brand Galliant GL Trail. These are trailer tires. So I misspoke when I was talking earlier. So I just looking at the new DOT number, it's 1622. That's the 16th week. So the 04 was whatever week of 2010. Anyway, that doesn't really matter because they were way out of use. So got new tires. So like I said, just, you know, this is the time to do some maintenance on your trailer. So like I got some anti-seize. You know, a good place to put anti-seize is back here on the wheel. Like you can see this one wore some of it off because that'll kind of rust to your hub, and then that's what makes these tires, or any tire for that matter, hard to get off when you go to change it, especially like if you're on the side of the road. So a little anti-seize will go a long way. And then like I said, just this is the time to look over your trailer, grease the hubs. I mean, I'm not going to film all that like I said, but that's what we're getting ready to do now. So we'll put these back on and keep on trucking. Yeah, man, they got plenty of tread. So the other one, that's, you know, like I said, it might look like it's got plenty of tread, but just check that DOT number and that'll definitely tell you for sure what you got going on. So anyway, if you like this, you like what we're doing, follow along, subscribe, share it, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one.